Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft GLFW error 6552. The driver does not appear to support OpenGL launcher and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to download a file. So I'll be providing link in the description. So here I have already gotten to the link. So this is the link. So I'll be providing link in the description so you don't have to worry. From here what you have to do is you just have to download this. Okay, so you just have to download the respective one, start download. So you have to download this, and the file is around, I think it is around 13.12 MB, so you just have to wait for its complete download. And once after it has been downloading, what you have to do is just have to follow the next instruction. That what you have to do is you just have to open the file and do the extraction. So once it is done, just have to go for open with, and you just have to go for it, and this is how it looks. Now from here you just have to do the extraction. So as you can see that mine is 64 bit, so I have to select whether 32 bit or 64 bit. So mine is 64 bit. Now what I have to do is I have to do this, I just have to extract this up. So then I have to wait for it. So once after I have done the extraction, what I have to do is I just have to copy the respective file from here. So I just have to copy this file. So I have to do this up. I just have to copy files to clipboard, and what I have to do is once it is done I just have to close this up. Then I just have to open this PC and I have to go to local disk C. From here I have to click on program files, and from here I have to find the folder named Java. I have to find the folder named Java, so I just have to scroll down and I have to find the file Java over here. So you will be getting the file named Java. You just have to find it up. So if it is not here, then you don't have to worry, you have to check in the program files over here. So as you can see that mine is on program files 86, so I just have to change this up. I have to open the Java. Then there will be a folder named GRE. You just have to open this, and what you have to do is from here you just have to open a folder named bin, and from here you just have to right click and you have to paste it. Okay, then you just have to go for continue. Once it has been done, once you paste this up, what you have to do is it is all done. Now what you have to do is just have to open your game Minecraft launcher, and most probably this will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.